you. I hope that you are also fit and fine. Today in this video, I gonna sharing some this topic. Actually, it's my opinion uh, as a beginner, as a learner for spoken English journey. In this video, especially talk about and realize. Okay, as you can see behind the scenery, it's very natural beauty. It's amazing place. My boring time spending. As you can see, right now I am staying on paddy field. As you can see.
শর্ট ভিডিওটা কয় সেকেন্ডের দেয়
Okay, firstly I
দেখতো
talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important thing for spoken English journey. Okay. Uh, if you know a lots of vocabulary, then you can uh, make making sentence easily. It's easily and normal issue.